I grew up in Mexico. I have 3 siblings. When I was in 8th grade, we moved to the United States. For college, I went to UNT. I graduated with a bachelor's in social sciences with teacher certification. When I graduated, my dream was to teach social studies. And over that summer, after I graduated, I also got certified in Spanish. And that's how I ended up here at J.J. Pierce. I was offered different positions, but I like J.J. Pierce the best. I took the offer from J.J. Pierce. So that's another hobby that I have is that I play the accordion. I'm an accordionist. I've been playing the accordion for about 7 years now. My steps, I have a Fitbit. And on Music Wednesday, there's some days that we listen to a song that has an accordion in it, and I play along with the recording for the students. I grew up in Mexico. My family and we lived there for some time until I was in 8th grade. Then we moved to the United States.
And welcome to Subpar Cooking. Today's video, scrambled eggs. Let's see the ingredients you'll need for today. Salt and pepper, milk, eggs, butter, and finally cheese. A bowl, spatula, whisk, and a pan. Let's get to it. First, you get on the apron. Then, you wash your hands. Clean hands make for good food. Now, let's crack some eggs. Now we're gonna add some extra ingredients to add some flavor. Bit of milk. Not too much, not too little. Bit of freshly cracked pepper. And finally, a dash of salt. Whisk that up. Oh. Now we're gonna move this aside and get to the pan. Just gonna want 1 tablespoon of butter. Now we actually have to warm the pan, so. Alright, a tip to see if your pan is ready is come on over to your stove, get your fingertips wet, and if you splash the water and it sizzles just like that, it means it's ready.
It's probably too hot actually, so I thought you would.
Yeah, it is. That's way too hot. Oh well. Now?
Mustangs, make sure you come out and support our Pierce varsity football team in their first playoff game at Cedar Hill at 7:30 this Friday. We could really use it.